This BedStory twin-size bed frame with sturdy steel slat structure offers mattress-strong support, is stable and durable, provides good sleep, fit industrial, modern, and farmhouse decoration. It comes flat-packed in one box for easy home assembly. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Easy to assemble. All parts and required tools are clearly labeled, instruction included. Very easy to assemble. No box spring needed, mattress not included. Please use the bed frame with memory foam, spring, or hybrid mattresses. Air or water mattresses are not recommended. Number 2. Dimensions. BedStory Twin bed frame measures 41 inches width by 77 inches length by 14 inches height. The interior dimensions are 40 inches width by 75.4 inches length. Perfectly fit for the standard twin-size mattress. 12.5 inches height off the floor, offering sufficient space for under-bed storage bins, bags, and drawers. 49 pounds product weight. Thick steel slats support up to 12 pounds. Number 3. Non-slip, noise, bump. The snap-in design of this bed frame can perfectly prevent your mattress from moving. Say goodbye to adjust the mattress frequently. Cushioning gaskets are added to all joints for noise-free use. Curved angles to avoid bumping your knees. Number 4. Worry-free choice with BedStory. We are a professional manufacturer who has more than 30 years of experience in bedroom products. Number 5. Snap-in improvement. BedStory Twin bed frame fits a matching mattress size, length 75 inches by width 39 inches, and does not need the extra box spring. Small design improvements will make the bed frame extremely strong. Number 6. Protect your sound sleep and floor. The minimized design will easy for you to move from one place to the other. 6 thick iron legs allow the whole platform with a strong weight capacity. Stay away from shake and squeaking. Number 7. Compact package. Simple composition. Replacement parts available. The headboard is compatible, but not included. Box size, 42.1 inches by 10.2 inches by 4.3 inches. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.